tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, a game changer for all the creatives out there. Imagine having a robot that can write and draw for you, bringing your ideas to life in a matter of minutes. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. Thanks to the iDraw 2026 Upgrade Handwriting/Drawing Robot Kit. This incredible device is designed to be your all-in-one creative sidekick, and I'm excited to dive in and show you what it can do. First, let's talk about the versatility of this plotter. Whether you want to write a heartfelt thank you letter, create a beautiful holiday card, or draw a complex picture with multiple colors, the iDraw 2026 has got you covered. With hundreds of fonts to choose from, you can customize your writing style to fit any occasion. But that's not all. You can also create your own custom fonts, giving you total control over the look and feel of your creations. And don't worry if you're not sure where to start. The manufacturer provides step-by-step guidance to help you get started with creating your own unique fonts. One of the things that really impressed me about the iDraw 2026 is how easy it is to get started. There's no assembly required, so you can unbox, set up, and start writing or drawing in just a few minutes. This is perfect for those who want to dive right in and start creating without any hassle or fuss. The plotter is designed for instant creativity, and it delivers. Whether you're a student, artist, or simply someone who loves to write and draw, this device is perfect for you. The iDraw 2026 also comes with user-friendly software that's compatible with a wide range of operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. This means you can use it with your existing computer or laptop without having to worry about compatibility issues. The software is also incredibly versatile, allowing you to use the plotter for handwriting imitation, drawing, and even learning programming. With extensive file format support, including JPG, JPEG, PNG, BMP, and SVG, you can import and export your designs with ease. But what really sets the iDraw 2026 apart is its high-speed performance. This thing can write up to 15,000 millimeters per minute, delivering fast and efficient results for all your projects. Whether you're working on a large-scale art project or simply want to write a quick note, the iDraw 2026 can handle it with ease. And with its precise and accurate writing and drawing capabilities, you can trust that your creations will look professional and polished every time. As I've been using the iDraw 2026, I've been blown away by its potential. From creating beautiful artwork to writing personalized letters and cards, this device has opened up a whole new world of creative possibilities. And with its ease of use, versatility, and high-speed performance, I think it's an absolute must-have for anyone who loves to write, draw, or create. So, if you're looking to take your creativity to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the iDraw 2026 Upgrade Handwriting/Drawing Robot Kit. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on one today. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. With the iDraw 2026, the possibilities are endless, and I'm excited to see what you'll